Hello students, how are you all? I'm Esther Rani. I'm working as an English teacher. Today I'm going to explain you the Cold Within poem which was written by James Patrick Kinney. James Patrick Kinney 1923 to 1974 was an American poet who was not read much during his lifetime. So he did not get the opportunity to have a better education when he was alive, unfortunately. Okay. But his poems were made popular by his son Timothy Kinney as he took efforts of publishing the poem of his father. So James Patrick Kinney did not have a good education, as I told you already. So Timothy Kinney took the initiative to publish all of his father's poems which were already written by his father. The Cold Within was written in 1960s. So the poem Cold Within was written in the time 1960s. Okay. About the poem, 6 people are trapped accidentally in cold weather. 6 people were unexpectedly gathered in front of a fire. Okay, they sat around the fire. Each one of them has a stick. So everyone is possessing a stick of wood in their hands. None of them is willing to give the stick to the fire which is about to die. The fire is about to die, but unfortunately no one is willing to give the stick of wood to the fire in order to save their lives. The white woman thinks that she should not use a stick for the black man in the group. So white woman thought that if I would my stick of wood, that means I am saving the black person who is also presenting in the group. So she thought that I should not give my stick. So she held her stick back. She is not really interested in keeping that stick of wood to the fire. Okay. The second man cannot find anyone from his own church and does not give his stick. And the second person has seen another person who is also presented in the group. That person is not coming to his church, so he thought that if I give my stick of wood, that means I am saving the person who is not coming to my church. Okay, so he doesn't want to give a stick of wood to the people who is not coming to his church. The third is a poor man and he holds a grudge against the rich. And the third person is a poor man. Poor man doesn't want to give a stick of wood only because of he has seen a person who belonged to a rich community, so he doesn't want to give his stick of wood to the person who is higher than his financial status. Okay, so he is not interested in keeping a stick of wood only because of the rich man who is presented in the group. The black man thinks of taking revenge on the white woman for the injustices that happened to his people in the past. So if you see the history, black people were treated so rudely and also so cruelly by the white people. Okay, they never used to have equal rights just like the white people, and they used to be treated by the white people as a servants and slaves in their homes, and they, even though they are working so hard, they did not get any good wages. Okay, so that's what happened in the past, and this is the time for me to take revenge on the white people. So let me make use of this birch of wood in a good manner so that I can take revenge on the white people who used to spoil our community in every time. The sixth man is a selfish man who cannot think beyond himself, and sixth man is a person, if you give something to me, then I am ready to give it to you. Otherwise, if you are not providing anything, then I am not going to give anything to you. So that is a mindset for our sixth man who is presented in the group. As those 5 people did not give the stick of wood to the fire, then I am not going to give. If they would have given the stick of wood, then I would also give that stick of wood to the fire. But unfortunately, no one gave, and all the 6 people were perished only because of the cold waves which are passed by that way. But here the poet wants to tell you all, they were not died because of the coldness from outside, but they were died because of the coldness inside of their heart. What is that coldness? Showing discrimination towards the religion, caste, creed, okay, color, complexion, financial status, and the religion. Okay, these are all the reasons for them to lose their lives. Summary: The Cold Within is a poem which presents the cold hearts of the mankind, which lead us to our doom and destruction. Okay, if you have such kind of bad ideas in your brain that you are showing discrimination because on the basis of the color, okay, and the financial status or the racism, if you follow all of them, that means you are destructing your own human body. So don't practice those elements in the present era, present situation. So don't do all those kinds of things in your life. If you do them, that means you are destructing your own life. So please don't do that. The poet is requesting all the people who are reading that poem to be not showing any kind of discrimination towards other people. Mankind is thought to be better than the animal world as we have created civilizations and we have progressed with the science and technology. So even though we got educated and we are getting the good knowledge, wisdom to invent new gadgets, technology. So we are making use of the science and technology. We are progressing day by day. We are developing our nation. We are civilized. If we compare with the animals, they are having some humanity, but as we people, we do not have any humanity towards others. We should help others. If you find any person in problem, then you should take the initiative to help those people who are in trouble. That is a basic humanity. But at the same time, we have created discrimination among ourselves at different levels, which have led to our doom. Okay, this is the reason for our lack of development. Still we are treated as a developing nation. If you keep that element, discrimination, away, then you might have developed so well. Okay, and some of the discriminatory cultural practices that we have established over the ages are based on gender, religion, color of the skin. So there are some, if you take India, okay, the people do not give lots of importance to the woman just like the man. Okay, men can enjoy all powers over the woman, but woman cannot enjoy her freedom. Okay, so that's what happening in our India, and there are many social evils. Okay, like Sati Sagamna, if a husband dies, then they should throw this woman also to the fire so that she can also lose her life. So those are the social evils which were practiced in India in the past eras. Okay, in the third last line of the poem, the poet James Patrick Kinney describes these discriminatory practices as a proof of human sin which leads to death. The wages of the sin is death. Okay, so if you keep on making the sins and you are keep on if you keep on carrying those burdens on your shoulders, then you are going to get a time when you have to die. Okay, so don't allow these sins to be kept in your brain. So don't allow them to practice over your life. So if you practice them, then you're gonna have those burdens on your shoulders and you have to see the death in your life. Okay, you may lose your life only because of these sins which are unbearable on your shoulders. The 6 people who are trapped by chance when they were attacked by a cold waves could have saved themselves if they could have cooperated with each other. So if they would have cooperated with each other, first of all, the white woman thought that, okay, whatever has happened already, let's forget about that. This is the time for us to save others. Okay, what the Bible says, love your neighbor as yourself. Not only the Bible, as a basic human being, you should love your neighbors. We don't know whenever we get the problem in our lives. So if we get the problem, then they may not also ready to help you, because they would also take the revenge on you, because you did not make use of helping others. Okay, when someone is in trouble, then they will also take use of that. They will also make use of that time to take revenge on you. So you have to help others when they are in trouble. So here, if she would have thought like that, she might have saved the people. If she would say like that, the next man also will agree with her. They would have cooperation and they would have celebrated their victory over that coldness. If they would have the cooperation with each other, they do not have the unity and with each other, and would have shared their sticks to keep the fire alive. Okay, when the first woman kept the stick of wood to the fire, the second man will also do the same thing, and the same thing happens, okay, between 5 minutes or 6 minutes gap, so that everyone can have their lives. Unfortunately, no one thought like that, and everyone held their sticks back. Okay, so everyone has lost their lives. So what the poet is telling here is, in the coldness of the heart towards other people, people are belonging to other communities, which is the reason for the death of these 6 people rather than the cold wave. Cold wave did not take off the lives of the 6 people who were gathered there, okay, around the fire. But unfortunately, the coldness which is presented in their heart, coldness always talks about the negativity of a human being. For example, if you see the idiom, that when I asked something to my friend, he has shown his cold shoulder. That means he did not help me as I expected. So in that way, the coldness always represents the negativity. They did not die because of the coldness outside or the cold waves which are passed by that way, but unfortunately they were died because of the coldness which is presented in their heart. What are those reasons? The color complexion, okay, the religion, financial status. Okay, so those are the elements which are practiced by them in order to lose their lives. They were perished only because of the coldness which is presented in their heart. Justification of the title. The title, The Cold Within, is justified as the title sums up the essence of the poem. So here we can say that it is applicable to the poem really, because the coldness which is presented in their heart only made so many things in the poem. Otherwise they would have survived today. They would be alive. The poem deals with the coldness of the hearts of the people who are accidentally trapped in a situation of bleak and bitter cold. I told you that bleak and bitter means they cannot bear that coldness. It's very heavy. But none of the 6 people could get above the discriminatory sensibilities to keep the fire alive with their respective sticks to fight the cold outside. If they would have the cooperation, if someone would have kept the stick of wood, then other would also follow the same thing. They would have done a good activity and they might have saved their lives. Okay, but no one respects the other only because of the caste, color, creed, complexion, financial status. These are all the elements of losing their lives. Each of the 6 people was fighting with the 2 kinds of coldness. One that is outside and the cold weather second. So that's within them. The coldness within them has taken away the lives of these people, not the coldness from outside, not the cold waves or bleak and bitter cold did not take their lives. Okay. The lack of warmth for people belonging to a different community, the warmth in your heart. Okay, warmness always represents the positivity. For example, if you have created a seminar for the people, for your class members, and you have invited one guest to give a lecture, so at the time you may write that a warm welcome to our present guest to give a lecture to give lecture and enlighten our students. So you may write like that. Warmness always represents the positivity. So here if they would have that warmth feeling, that means which is a positive thought on someone, that means they would have, if they would have such kind of positive element on others, they would have saved others and they would have also saved their lives. Okay, but unfortunately they did not make that. And also the lack of warmth for the people belonging to a different community. It is a lack of warmth, this lack of fondness, the lack of trust in the fellow human beings, which is the cause of death of these 6 people. Therefore the title Cold Within is apt. So the title Cold Within is apt for this poem. Okay, because the coldness in their heart has reason, okay, has a give a cause to lose their lives.